How to applying eye makeup. Whether you're just starting to wear makeup or you want to embrace a more subtle look, natural-looking makeup can be pretty and flattering. Even if you've never tried it before, this look is easy to accomplish yourself. Step 1. Line your upper lash line with a brown, black or gray kohl pencil. Some women prefer not to do this, as eyeliner looks a little less natural than an eye with just mascara. Other beauty specialists say to line your eyes with a roasted colored gel liner. Pencil looks less natural than liquid or gel liner, and gel is easier to blend. Line 2/3 of your top lash line and 1/3 of your bottom lash line. Smudge the line with a cotton bud. Step 2. Use a white eyeliner to make your eyes look larger. Line the inside corners of your eyes with either white eyeliner or white eyeshadow to give your eyes a brighter look. Some people also like to add a bit of white eyeliner or shadow under the brow bone to make their eyes appear brighter and more awake. Step 3. Consider using eyeshadow. Use 2 shades of eyeshadow for a professional look. The colors you choose should be golds, browns, or silvers, depending on your skin tone and coloring. Apply a light, neutral tone all over your lid and just above your crease, and use slightly darker to softly line the top lid and outline your crease. For a natural look, remember to blend the colors. Step 4. Curl your lashes and apply 1 layer of mascara. Curling your eyelashes will give you a bright, awake look. If you want to make your eyelashes stand out against your skin, put on 1 layer of your favorite mascara. If you use mascara, avoid clumping by using a declumping brush or an eyebrow brush. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.